Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is officially holiday season, so I had to create a holiday look, and I really wanted to do something that was super quick, easy to achieve, and affordable. And I have just one product on my eyes and lashes, so two products, and I am obsessed. I love it so much, and you definitely can't go wrong with a red lip for a holiday look. I'm so excited to show you guys how I achieved this look. Super quick, easy, and affordable. You guys could definitely recreate this, and I want to see your recreations. Don't forget to tag me. And I have all of my holiday nails coming out on my Paulina Nailed It Etsy shop. That will be linked down below. Keep your eyes peeled for that. Keep checking back because I have so many nice designs coming out. I can't wait for you to get them and wear them. So if you want to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. I'm going into the e.l.f. Cosmetics Liquid Glitter Eyeshadow in Copper Pop. This look is going to be super quick and easy to achieve. So I'm going into my XOXO Wing Liner Brush by Sigma. This is in my Paulina X Sigma Favorites brush set. I'll have it linked down below. I love this brush. It's so precise and incredible. You can do so much with it. So I'm first just going to kind of outline the shape of my wing. I'm going to start at the outer corner of my eye and create a line going towards the tail of my brow, and then going back from that line and creating a swoop to create the wing. And now I'm going to finish off the shape and applying this a little bit above my crease. So the reason I apply it just a little bit above the fold of my crease is so that when my eyes are open and straight ahead, you can still see that shape of that shadow. And now I'm going in with the applicator and I'm going to start just filling in the entire area. And I'm going to have to wait for this to dry, and then I'm going to apply another layer over top. Now that that dried, I'm going to apply a second layer, and that's really going to intensify the pigment and the sparkle and just make it look really nice and opaque, because the first layer is a little bit patchy, but that's fine. We can just do 2 layers. And how easy is this look? Super quick, and we're done. I'm now going to apply mascara and false lashes, and I'm going into Ardell Double Up Demi Wispies. And that's the eye look done. Okay, how quick and easy was that eye look? So now for lips. I mean, a holiday look is not complete without a red lip. So that is what I'm going to do, and I'm going to go into the L'Oreal Rouge Signature Liquid Lipstick in I Don't. These are my favorite lipsticks. I mean, I've told you guys so many times. I wear the shade I Create all the time. That is like on me at all times. They feel like water going on your lips. They feel incredible. They're not drying, and they feel like you have nothing on, and they last all day. So let's apply this. And that is it. This is the completed look of my quick and easy and affordable holiday makeup look. I hope that you enjoyed. I love this look so much. I have done this kind of technique for my eyes with gold, black, and silver, just black, olive green, now brown and glitter. I am obsessed with the technique. It's so easy to achieve. And the XOXO Wing Liner brush that's in my favorites brush set with Sigma is incredible for this look. It's so precise. It makes everything so quick and easy. You could also use the applicator, but you're just not going to get such sharp lines. I have done it where I use the applicator and then go in with the XOXO just to perfect the edges. This brush is incredible. You need this. So don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I now have 2 Instagrams for my makeup and for nails. And all the products that I used today, along with my brush set with Sigma, will be listed down below for you guys to find everything easier. And I think that should be it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!